Right guys, we're here again with Procon 24/7, and today we're going to do a special video for you. We're here with James from Pump For You. We're using a roll line pump. Now the specifics of a roll line pump are you can get the concrete to any job you need where you can't get a wheelbarrow. Yeah, as you can see, it's using sandstone cement into the pump. Now the concrete is going to get pumped with these pump lines here into whatever your customer requests the concrete. Now the benefits of using a roll line pump are to get the concrete to you whenever a wheelbarrow is not accessible or a machine. It's much easier, much faster and much more efficient to use for something such as this. And they especially come in handy where a boom pump may not be able to have access to or get in the way for low-hanging telephone lines. When it comes to a job like this, when we're using a roll line pump, unlike traditional boom pumps where it might be up in the sky and come down, we're going to get these things like this, these pipes here. We're going to split them all together and run them along the ground. So it's a roll line pump. And we're going to make to whichever route you might be using. Today we're going to finish the floor for this customer. So only 67 pipes may be needed. With the roll line pump, you can get anywhere up to 60 metres length from roadside up to the job you're working on. One of the main benefits of having a roll line pump are you're going to save on labour, you don't have to have men barrowing, you could be doing other things. You know, sort of three flights of stairs altogether and plus it's a 60 metre pipeline, so it's going to get to most spots that you need. They're not big and bulky, such as a boom pump that can take up a whole street and get in the way. They're much smaller, small 7.5 tonne, and you'll pump it in no time.